Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on my single seed challenge and show you a quick tour of the garden and what I've been up to. My single seed challenge, the seed is a shishito pepper and it actually sprouted. Let me show you what it looks like. There it is, just all in its glory, little tiny pepper. And there's a few leftovers in here, but I've been really busy getting everything out in the garden. Let me show you. Okay, here's my garden over here. I've been working hard on this and hauled in some more dirt, and I need to mulch later on, but that'll be next week or so before I do. Notice my tomatoes in this pot right here. I added some compost to it and I got a bonus plant out of it. It looks like either a cucumber or a squash, so we'll have to see with that. And I have lots of Chef's Choice, Abe Lincoln in the garden, and mixed in with a few other varieties. Notice my radishes are starting to bolt, and I need to pull those all out of the ground this week. I planted my tomato plants in behind it, knowing that I would pull those radishes in so that they could climb up the cattle panel right here. I have some more tomatoes in here, and then my kettle is looking awesome, so I'm excited about that. And then I've got some more tomatoes in pots back there that I have not put in, so I pretty much ran out of room, so I'll probably give those to somebody. And then I've got my bok choy, some of it bolted back there, and I have to get my carrots out of the ground pretty quick, but I just planted my tomatoes over here behind them, and then I've got some tomatoes on this one over here. And I'm thinking over there is after the sugar snap peas are done, I'll pull those out and I'll grow some green beans up there. And I also have that row going this way that I usually plant squash and okra back here. So got that left over, and I can get some in the ground. And back here I planted some different things. I've got some nasturtium back there, and some more flowers, and then I also have some squash intermixed in there, and I'm just gonna let it run up the fence line there. And there's my blackberry bush, and can't wait for some blackberries this summer. So there you go. That's the garden and my single seed challenge. Y'all have a good evening.